Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to post a photo in X. Sharing moments through photos is a great way to express yourself and connect with others. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of posting a photo in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Look for the plus icon, typically located at the bottom center or top right corner of the screen. Tap on the plus icon to initiate the post-creation process. Step 2. After tapping on the plus icon, a menu will appear with various options. Look for the Photos button and tap on it. This action will allow you to select a photo from your device's gallery. Step 3. Browse through your photo gallery and select the photo you want to post in X. Once you've chosen the photo, you can add other details if you wish. For example, you can include a comment or caption that enhances the context of the photo. Additionally, you can add a location tag to indicate where the photo was taken. Step 4. With the photo selected and any additional details added, you're now ready to share your post. Look for the Post or Share button, typically located at the bottom or top right corner of the screen. Tap on the button to publish your photo to your X feed. And there you have it. You have successfully posted a photo in X, allowing you to share your memorable moments with your followers and friends. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be enriched with beautiful photos and meaningful connections.